found that the hardest part of design and development would be designing and implementing the code which passes the user's input to the calculator, mainly because there are so many different types of inputs you can put. So I had to keep redesigning and redeveloping the code, and actually it just kept adding to my code and making it bigger, so it wasn't very effective or helpful. And then at one point an idea came to mind. I was researching and thinking about backwards and forward form syntax and how it restricts the input to what the user allows it to. So with that in mind, I redesigned my code so that instead of having many if statements, I would use a finite state loop with a switch case statement, which basically passes through each input character and decide the next course of action depending on the value of the current or the next character. I found this method to be quite effective and adaptable, because if I needed to add some more case statements, I would just need to add it, look at my design and add it, and it's quite easy to do. Okay, so first we're going to try some simple calculations. So 2 plus 1, you get 3, 3 minus 1, you get 2, I'll try square root, 23, so square root of 23, it's 4 point something, try increment, decrement, yes, 12 over 4 should give you 3, and let's try power. So 4 to the power of 3 should give you 64. So for this next test, we're going to test the calculator by inputting some complex calculations. So we'll start with this one. That's correct. Next is an equation with a bracket. That's also correct. And lastly, try putting in 2 brackets, one at the beginning and one at the end, and that is also correct. So to conclude, after some testing, the results show that the functional requirements have been met. Over the course of this project, I learned some OOP concepts and principles, as well as software algorithms and implementations. Lastly, if I had the chance to improve or work on this project again, I would implement some more functional requirements to emulate a real calculator, and also I would add a GUI to make it more user-friendly.